In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use DoubleClick in Draw.io for Confluence and Jira, and how this simple feature can dramatically speed up the way you create and edit diagrams inside your Atlassian tools. If you work with Jira issues or Confluence pages and use Draw.io diagrams, this is one of those small tips that makes a huge difference in daily productivity. We'll go step by step, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to add shapes, insert text, and edit diagrams faster using DoubleClick. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy software guides. All right, let's jump right in. First, go to Jira or Confluence, depending on where you want to create your diagram. In this example, I'm starting inside Jira. Open your Jira project and navigate to the issue where you want to add or edit a diagram. Once the issue is open, launch Draw.io. This is usually done by adding a Draw.io diagram attachment or editing an existing Draw.io file that's already connected to your Jira issue or Confluence page. When Draw.io loads, you'll see the main canvas along with the Shapes panel on the left. Next, let's add some objects to the canvas. From the Shapes panel on the left side, you can drag and drop any shape you want onto the diagram area. You can add rectangles, circles, arrows, flowchart elements, or any other diagram components that fit your use case. At this stage, you're just placing basic objects onto the canvas, so you have something to work with. Don't worry about text or formatting yet. Now here's where the double-click feature becomes really useful. Double-click anywhere on the empty canvas. When you do this, Draw.io automatically lets you add a new diagram element right where you double-clicked. This is much faster than going back to the Shapes panel every time. You can quickly build out your diagram by double-clicking in different areas and letting Draw.io create new shapes for you. After that, double-click directly on any shape you've added. As soon as you double-click on a shape, you'll be able to add text inside it. This is perfect for labeling steps, adding descriptions, or naming parts of your workflow. You can simply start typing and the text will appear inside the shape. If you want to edit existing text, just double-click the shape again and make your changes. This works for most shapes and is one of the fastest ways to edit diagrams without using extra menus. You can also use double-click to quickly refine your diagram as you go. For example, double-click to add a shape, double-click again to add text, and then move on to the next part of your diagram. This flow keeps you focused and saves time, especially when you're working on larger diagrams inside Jira or Confluence. Once you're happy with your diagram, make sure to save your changes. In Jira and Confluence, saving the Draw.io diagram will automatically attach or update it within your issue or page, so your team can see the latest version. And that's it. That's how you use DoubleClick in Draw.io for Confluence and Jira to quickly add shapes, insert text, and edit diagrams more efficiently. If this video helped you, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more Draw.io, Jira, and Confluence tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.